Before you begin, you will need to download the Navigate app. It is available both in the App Store for iPhones and in Google Play for Androids. This is what the icon will look like that you want to download. When you open the app, you will first be asked to select your school, Oklahoma City Community College, and then log in with your portal information. From there, you'll be brought to the main screen of the app. On the main screen at the top, you will see the date along with your to-do list. There will be general to-do list reminders for all students, but there will also be specific to-do list items just for you. At the bottom, you'll see different icons that you can use within the app. Each icon has a specific purpose. The to-do list icon takes you to your entire to-do list. If you click on an item, it'll bring up more information about that item and any helpful resources that can assist you. Once you're done, you can click the box next to the item and it will remove it from your to-do list. The appointment icon takes you to a list of your appointments. It is also where you can schedule an appointment with Student Success Advising or Student Accessibility and Support. At the bottom of the screen, click on Schedule an Appointment. It will take you to the next screen to start the process. To schedule an appointment, you will first want to select the type of appointment you want and then select the service you are wanting. Then click Find Available Times. If you click 25 people view individual availabilities, it will take you to the list of all the entire Student Success Advisors. From there, you can pick a specific advisor you want to have an appointment with. Once you click on their name, then you will see their availability. Once you pick a date and time, it will then bring you to a confirmation screen. On this screen, you will see all the information you have entered to that point. On this screen, you'll want to select the type of meeting you want. Is it by phone, in person, or Zoom? Then you'll want to add any comments. Adding a comment will help assist your advisor with getting prepared for the meeting. Then it lets you pick the type of reminders you want. 24 hours in advance email to your OCCC email account or a text message 30 minutes before the appointment. Then click Schedule the appointment to schedule it. The Study Buddies icon takes you to people looking for study groups in your classes you are taking. The resource icon takes you to resources we have on campus. They are broken down into categories, for example, health and wellness. If you click on that category, it will take you to all the resources related to that category. You can then click on a specific resource, for example, the clothes closet. Once you click on a specific resource, it will give you a blurb about the resource, the location on campus, the phone number, and its availability. The surveys icon takes you to a list of surveys you may need to complete. The holds icon takes you to a list of holds you may have on your account and what office you need to speak with about the hold. The class schedule will give you your class schedule for the term/semester. The My Majors icon will take you to information related to your major. It'll tell you what your current major is, the type of degree, Associate of Art, Associate of Science, or Associate of Applied Science, the required credit hours, the average salary for a person that's completed the degree with that major, the estimated tuition for OCCC, and the hiring demand. If you click on View More Details, it will take you to a suggested careers list. The settings icon takes you to your ID number and your OCCC email address.